All right, Isabella. It might be easier if I just do a quick video and kind of explain to you what you need to do on these. So this here is number 6, and they ask you to find the area, I'm sorry, the volume of a cone, and they tell you it's a cone. So if you go to your uh, worksheet here, your formula sheet, um, and you see a cone is either this formula or this formula. You can use either one. I find the second one a little bit easier to use, so let's go ahead and write that one down. So the volume is pi r squared, and r stands for the radius. H is the height of the cone, and you're going to divide that by 3. So in the problem, it tells you to use 3.14 for pi. So you're going to take 3.14 and substitute it in for pi. And then you just have to decide which one of these numbers is the radius and which one is the height and plug it into this formula. Remember that whichever one is the radius, you're going to have to square that one. And then you'll just multiply these numbers at the top together and divide the whole thing by 3. So see if you can go ahead and finish that one up. On number 7, they give you a prism, a rectangular prism, and it looks sort of like this. And they tell you that the length here is 11, and this is 2, and this is 3. So once again, they tell you it's a prism, so you can go ahead and go here to your formula. The formula is volume equals the area of the base times the height. Well, since this is a rectangle, if you remember, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So really, you can call this your base. If you call this your base, then you're going to have to decide which is your length and your width, and then you're just going to multiply it by your height. So see if you can go ahead and finish that one up. And then on the last one, they give you a sphere. Looks like this. And they give you here that the diameter is 16. So this whole length going all the way across is 16. And they tell you it's a sphere, so you have to look up your formula. Again, these two formulas are the same. I find the second one a little easier to use. So the formula is 4 pi r cubed all over 3. So all you have to do for this one is determine what the radius is. Plug that in. Now you're going to have to cube it, so make sure you cube it or multiply the number together 3 times. And then once again, just use 3.14 for pi. Once you get those numbers, divide them all by 3. So multiply all that together and then divide your answer by 3. So see if you can go ahead and come up with answers on those. If you need more help, please let me know.